I'm going to show you how to do the soft glow effect in Photoshop very easily in some of the main principles. I use the first thing you want to do is duplicate your layer. You can press Command or Control J, or you can hold Alt or Option and just drag up or down and it'll duplicate. You want to work on the top layer, and at first you want to set it as screen. If your photo is too bright, it's very hard to actually do this effect. Because of the nature of this blend mode, if you want, you can adjust the brightness from here. This blend mode makes it like brighter. So go over to Filter, go over to Blur, and Gaussian Blur. In here, you'll see the effect right away. You don't want it to be too little where there's no effect. And you don't want it in this in-between area where you can sort of see the blocks or the blobs of like the blur. And right away you can lower it if you want. And we can see the before and after. It already looks pretty cool. If you want to erase some parts, it's very easy. Go over to Add Layer Mask in the bottom right. Select your brush and make sure it's black. And here you can go over the parts that you want to delete basically. So maybe some areas around the hair, something like that. You can also just bring down the curves a little. Just mess around with the curves to bring that contrast into it. You can also do motion blur if you want. It does something similar, so we're going to set this as screen and then motion blur. It gives it a cool look, so you can do something like that also. Hopefully you enjoy. Follow for more.
उसकी आँखों में फैला काजल बातों से करती घायल सांसों में उसका ही है नाम